Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily add reflection to your design in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva PC version, desktop version. You can download this app or software for free from official website. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To get started, simply click apps, then click design essentials. Scroll down and try to find easy reflections created by human in the loop. Adding reflection is now easier than ever. Add reflection to your design in just a few clicks. Elevate product shots and add depth to your portraits. And enhance your creative graphics with realistic reflection effect. So you can click use in existing design or click use in new design. So here you can drag your image to a Canva. Let's try find the image. Let's try this one for example. And here we go. So here you can simply click create reflection. So you can reposition below, above, left or right. Let's try something unordinary, extraordinary above. So you can choose the offset and the opacity. Click add to design. Here we go. So you can try to adjust like this. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.